Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Video number 1417. There was a question before the court regarding the release powers of a vehicle seized by the police. Whether police have to release the vehicle or the court can release the vehicle. This is the question. This is answered by the Supreme Court also. The matter has come to the Supreme Court level. While disposing the case of State of Rajasthan versus Ramanath in SLP number 131 by 2022 on 12th January 2022, two judges bench, Madam B.V. Nagaratna and Honorable Vineet Sharan. So actually they wanted to examine the issue, they have examined the same, and I think they will come to the conclusion that the High Court or the courts can exercise the power of release when once the matter comes to the court. So this is briefly the crux of the case. So better to know the facts of the case. What happened? So normally you may be knowing, suppose somebody will keep the vehicle by the side of the road and leave it for months together. If it is involved in an accident, and if it is a theft property, if the petrol is over, normally he will leave it there on seeing the police and does not claim it. So police will be seizing certain vehicles, normally under 102 CRPC, but of course here it happened in another section. The Rajasthan police, they seized an unclaimed tractor with the crop, bajri crop. The tractor and the trailer were loaded with bajri crop and left in a certain place, and it was not claimed. Some of the villagers telephoned the police department. They came and seized the vehicle as unclaimed vehicle. So they can seize the vehicle under section 38 of the Rajasthan Police Act 2007. Subsequently, the owner, Mr. Ramanath, he came to know about this. Of course, I am sure that he did not have proper records at that particular point of time. Later, he produced the records, he approached the police, they said no. Ultimately, he filed a petition before the magistrate court under section 451 CRPC for the release of the vehicle. So since the vehicle was lying in the police station, and since he is under the impression that he will get rusted or the tires will be deflated and things like that, he filed a petition for release of the vehicle. But Honorable Magistrate did not agree because it was an unclaimed property. It was seized by the police. So it is the authority, it is the police who has to release the vehicle and not the court. That means the court is seized of the matter. So later he approached the High Court under section 482 CRPC. You may be knowing 482 CRPC gives inherent powers to the High Court to take any action. Of course, constitutionally also they have got some powers. So here the Honorable High Court has come to the opinion that no doubt the vehicle was seized as an unclaimed property. But when a person comes and says that he is the owner of the property, definitely the point of unclaimed is gone. Now some owner is there. The court has to verify whether he is the registered owner, whether he is the real owner, whether he is the competent owner, and then they can decide the matter whether to hand over him or not, or whether to direct the police to give the vehicle to him or not. But they cannot simply say that it is the authority or it is the power of the police to release the vehicle. So therefore, High Court ordered for the release of the vehicle, of course, on paying some court, that is bank guarantee for about 3 lakhs or like that. Later, agreed by this order, the state has come against, of course, filed an SLP before the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court clearly stated that the property may be claimed when seized. When the owner is traced, then the section 38 of the Police Act which gives powers to seize the unclaimed vehicle, definitely it would seize away. That means it would stop. So therefore, magistrate should have taken a decision. Magistrate orders are set aside, and the orders of the High Court definitely they are applicable. High Court is quite correct. So this is the decision given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please remember, because a lot of valuable has taken, in this case Ramanath is a resident of Rajasthan, that is Bharatpur or Badarpur in Bholpuri district. So he said that his vehicle, no doubt, I'm sure already I told you he might not have the proper records of the vehicle. So therefore this problem has come. Anyway, so here the important point to know is when once it is unclaimed property, the burden or the authority rests with the police. But once the bond is faced, definitely the court has got every authority to release the vehicle or to take action in such matter for coming to a just decision. Very good decision. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.